Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. Whether I get my nails done at a salon or I do them at home, I love having this Nourishing Cuticle Oil by Londontown. It really conditions and softens my cuticles, and when I use it, I feel like it extends the beauty of my manicure because my cuticles look so soft. It just makes my hands and nails look so nice. The dropper makes it so convenient to apply to each of my nails right at the base where my cuticles are. The moisturization that it gives my cuticles feels so good. It's easy to massage into my cuticles. I love having this Nourishing Cuticle Oil by Londontown. I love having it in my nail care regimen, and it makes my cuticles so soft and really makes the look of my manicure even nicer. And that's my point of view.